Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Gaming Shiba on your Trust Wallet application. This can be done by simply opening up your Chrome, at least to get more information on the coin. It's listed as 5,555 on coinmarketcap.com. The link is going to be in the description of the video. What we're simply going to do here is copy its smart chain contract address, head over to our Trust Wallet app. Once there, the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, we tap on it. After tapping on this, we paste this wallet address, activate the Gaming Shiba. As you can see, we have no Gaming Shiba currently, but what next we're going to do is we're simply going to buy the Gaming Shiba. Unfortunately, there's no physical icon, or there's no icon to purchase the Gaming Shiba here. So we're going to head over to the browser, this browser right here, click on it and scroll down till you find PancakeSwap. We're going to be making use of the PancakeSwap exchange. Give it some time to load in. And once it loads in, you give it extra time to load in your balance and some other tokens as such. And note that your wallet should be connected by simply clicking on this wallet icon here. You'll see the option to connect. If it shows you disconnect, it means your wallet has been connected previously. So yeah, from here you simply click on Cake. After clicking on Cake, the search name or paste address, you paste the address of Gaming Shiba here and you search. Import the Gaming Shiba. It's a high risk token, so the gas fee is going to be huge, I guess. You proceed, and we're going to be using 0.0004 BNB to get 79 million or something. You click on swap. Wait, I can't do 15. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. A smart contract call pulls up for about a network fee of 0.67 with the max total, and you click on approve. You wait for confirmation, and once it's done swapping, you click on add Gaming Shiba and you click on close. You then close your PancakeSwap and you reload, and boom, your 6 billion Shiba has arrived in your wallet. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any question concerning how to purchase the Gaming Shiba on your Trust Wallet application, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.